Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I talked about how I bought Zenith Bank shares, and in today's video I want to basically show you how to use the limit buy on stock investing platforms. This does not apply to InvestNaija alone. You can use it on Bamboo or any other platform that you use to buy Nigerian stocks. So sometimes you don't want to buy a stock or buy shares of a company at the current market price. You want to buy cheaper, or you want to buy when the price is going up. So I want to show you how to do that with the limit buy. So this is the stock I want to buy. It's called the Initiate PLC, TIP. Now, the very first thing I want to do if I want to buy cheaper or higher is I want to go to see order book. The order book is basically where you see people who are offering to buy and people who are offering to sell. These bids are people who are bidding to buy it cheaper. As you can see, some people are looking to buy it for 13 naira, 13, and then some people are looking or offering, to sell for this amount. See, people are looking to sell higher, people are looking to buy cheaper. So if you want to buy cheaper, maybe you think the price will go down tomorrow or next tomorrow, you check the order book like this and you see what the average price is. Like the average price around this middle, that's 13.75. So maybe you want to buy around 13 13 naira. So you now have decided that, right? You go to buy, click on buy, then select type. Here, instead of buying at official market price, you can buy at your set price, where it said at my set price. So the price I am setting to buy this for now is 14 point. I'm not going to be too ambitious about it. I'm going to do 14.50, just a bit lower, a tiny bit lower for tutorial purpose. Then it says, when do you want to buy? Is it for today before the market closes, or do you want to set this limit buy until it executes? The maximum is 90 days. So again, good for the day is you want to just set this for today. Basically, if the market closes today, when the Nigerian stock market closes, and you are still not able to buy it cheaper, maybe the price kept going up, the order will cancel. But if you want to, again, set it to buy any day, tomorrow, next Monday, it doesn't matter. You select good till cancel. So it sets the trade for you, and it keeps checking and checking for when it reaches 14.50, so that transaction will trigger. So I'm going to do good for the day, just today. How many units would you like to buy? I think I have like 170,000 naira, so I like to buy like, let's do 500 units and see how much that will be. 5,000 units, 50,000 units. That's a lot. So let's do 8,000 units. We're getting there. Let's do 15,000 units. Let's do 12,000 units. I'm calculating it here, as you can see here. So this is 174,000. So click on buy. So here you can see the calculation, the price, everything. So I'm buying 12,000 units. This is the market price. This is the price I want to buy for. Consideration markup, you see all of this, and then I'm just going to click on buy. And before you know it, the order is supposed to just say it has been placed. So it's executing at the moment. It hasn't executed. So this execution might take hours, it might take minutes, it might take, we don't know how long. So it's just going to be like this, just executing until the market closes today. The quantity field, you see it here. If anybody sells for that amount, you see the quantity here. Maybe I bought someone was selling for that amount, which is 14.50. You see it here. So if I want to cancel the order, I can just click on cancel order, but I'm not canceling it now. I'm just going to hold it like that. So this is my wallet, but if I want to view that transaction again, where I should come to is view portfolio, and then you see it here. So here you can also see my wallet, my transaction and everything. It's struggling to load again, but yeah, it's loading. So this one is still again executing. It hasn't executed. So that's how you set a limit order. If it executes, you will know. Again, if you want to buy this stock now, you don't have to use limit order. You can just cancel the order. Let me cancel it. I don't even know if there's a cancellation fee. I don't think there is. So I have cancelled it. If I want to buy it now at market price, maybe I don't think it's going to go down again below 1460. I can just click on buy, then select buy at official market price, which is 1460, and then good for the day. And how many units do I want to buy? 12,000. Then next. So this is what the 12,000 this thing at current market price is. Total is 196,000 naira. You see, that's a lot. It's different from our 177,000, which is like really cheaper. So this is why you always want to buy a limit order or set a limit order. So I mean, I can buy for this amount, but imagine how much do you think I would be losing, buying at this? That is why, again, it's always better to set a limit order, unless you're buying to hold for a long time. If I am buying this stock to hold it for the next 6 months, 1 year, because I know the price will come up again and I'll recover the money I lost from buying at 14.60, then I'll just click on buy stock, and now it will try to execute. And order has been placed, and it says here executed. So I just bought 12,000 units of this particular stock, and now you can see it reflects here. But this transaction has not completely finished processing. The Nigerian stock market is T2, so the transaction has been processed now, but it to settle properly by when? By the next 2 days. So that is it. I hope I have taught you something today. If you have questions for me, don't forget to ask me and I will be happy to answer. Thank you for your time, and I will see you around. Bye.